Bonjour et bienvenue sur Smart Learning Foreign Language. Today, we are going to learn an important French verb, s'asseoir, which means to sit oneself in English. This is a pronominal verb, which means we always use it with a reflexive pronoun. Don't worry, I will make it super easy for you with examples and explanations. So stay with me till the end. First, let's understand why s'asseoir is important. Imagine you are in France, and someone offers you a seat. You need to know how to say, I am sitting, or please sit down in French. Let's learn step by step. Now, let's conjugate s'asseoir in the present tense. We have two common forms, one regular and one irregular. We'll focus on the most commonly used irregular form first, super. Present tense, irregular form. On-screen text, host, VO. Je m'assieds, I sit myself. Tu t'assieds, you sit yourself, informal. Il, elle, on s'assied, he, she, one sits oneself. Nous nous asseyons, we sit ourselves. Vous vous asseyez, you sit yourself, formal or plural. Ils, elles s'asseyent, they sit themselves. Now, let's see some examples in real-life situations. 1. At a restaurant, French, Madame, asseyez-vous s'il vous plaît. English, Madame, please sit down. 2. In a park, French, nous nous asseyons sur ce banc. English, we are sitting on this bench. 3. In a classroom, French, les élèves s'asseyent avant le début du cours. English, the students sit down before the class begins. If you want to ask someone to sit down, use the imperative. Here's how you say it. Asseyez-vous. Formal or plural, sit down. Asseois-toi. Informal, sit down. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Je m'assieds. Tu t'assieds. Il s'assied. Great. Keep practicing to get comfortable with this verb. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel Smart Learning Foreign Language, and share it with your friends who are learning French. Also, check the video description for the best French learning books and certified online French courses. Merci beaucoup d'avoir regardé cette vidéo. Keep practicing and I'll see you in the next lesson. À bientôt.